In this video, I'll show you a simple way to view your PowerPoint speaker notes while presenting in a Zoom meeting. This helps you stay organized and confident without your audience seeing anything except your slides. Once you're in your Zoom meeting, open the PowerPoint file you plan to present and keep it ready in the background. Return to Zoom and click the Share Screen button at the bottom. When the sharing window appears, select your PowerPoint window and confirm by clicking Share. At the top of your screen, you can choose whether to start your slideshow from the current slide or from the very beginning. To view your speaker notes, look for the three-dot menu in the bottom right corner of PowerPoint slideshow controls. Click it and select Show Presenter View. PowerPoint will switch to a layout where you can see your notes and upcoming slides, while Zoom continues to display only the main presentation to your audience. And that's all you need to present smoothly on Zoom while keeping your notes visible only to you. If this helped, feel free to share or check out my other tips for easier online presenting.